Hey guys, it's Adrienne here from Crafty Little Gnome, and today I'm going to show you how to change the banner on your shop. Anywhere that you sell online and you want to create a custom banner, you can actually do it yourself. I'm going to be using Pic Monkey. We are on picmonkey.com, and I'm going to go ahead and create new, and I'm going to click blank canvas. And as you see, the Etsy options are the first ones that come up. See, it has the size that you need already in there, and they've got different ones for Facebook, Instagram, anywhere that you want, YouTube, all that, it's got on there. So we'll do big Etsy shop banner. And this has the template ready to go with the right size, so you can start working. And we'll do background color, open the palette, pick a color, we'll do this pretty pink. And then you can add photos or graphics. They have lots of graphics here that you can choose from, or you can add your own. So we'll go from computer. Gosh, let's do, I'm going to add my logo in first. So it's huge, and we are going to make it small. It fits. And then I'm going to add some text. And I'm going to write Crafty Little Gnome. Can play with the size. If you want, you can add a shadow or an outline. You can play around with that a bit. And lastly, I'm just going to add a graphic. They have a lot of different ones you can choose from. Let's go with Celebrate. Good if you want to change up your shop banner for the seasons, for different holidays and things like that. I'm just going to add a present. So a lot of people give my jewelry away for gifts. You can change the colors too. And then all you have to do is save it. So we'll save it as Crafty New Banner. You can download it as a PNG or a JPEG. It doesn't matter for this. And just hit download. Then all you have to do is go back here. So we have the old banner, and we're going to hit Edit Shop. And then you can go in the corner here on this little pencil icon. And I'm going to hit the garbage can, and then we're going to add Crafty New Banner. Da, 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 da. Save. There we go. You're all good to go. And if you go to your main page here, the sales channels on the side, this is what it's going to look like now for the public. Make sure you check out my other videos, and you might as well subscribe while you're here. I've got lots of videos for Etsy and Amazon Handmade, and I show you how to sell your arts and crafts online. So go ahead, check it out, hit the like button, and if you have any comments, make sure you leave them, and I'll do my best to reply. Thanks, guys.